the sun hitting the mountains over there. It's just beautiful. Someone ended up in the ditch over there last night. I'm going out to give him a haircut. And we have it running off the solar to do his haircut. See, there he is. He's before and after. So we're going to go over here and I'm going to give him a haircut.
Yeah, the air conditioning side's there. This
So we got the cord running out. The coach.
There's the dogs.
Have a seat. Oh, that's a nice shirt. And there's the solar that goes into the batteries. And we have an inverter. And then we have a cord running out to plug the clippers into.
All right, let's get this done.
Woo! All done on solar. You know, from the batteries. All right, my Leia's turn.
Bye-bye.
My Leia's turn. I got to do her ears.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
What a beautiful day out. Somebody's got their generator running over there. That's okay. We run our generator. Yesterday was very windy. Today's a little breezy. Go ahead, do your solar power dance.
Solar power. Haircut. Haircut.
Rudy's going crazy inside. Come on, Rudy. So Rudy gets some alone time since my Leia got to get her ears clipped. You want your ears clipped, Rudy?
No, Mom.
Let's go watch, Rudy. He's dragging me. Go ahead. Come on. Wait for Mommy. Woo! Look, gotta look both ways, Rudy. We had a big bonfire here last night. Loud music. Left beer cans. Huh. Still smoldering. Out. Is it beautiful out, Rudy? On your face, honey. Rudy, look at Mommy. Rudy, sit. There. You got on your face. I think a boat's coming. Parked over there. I don't know if you can see the coach. Definitely leading the way. It's very beautiful here. There's a lot of boats walking around here. It sounds like there's a nest in here. You see anything, Rudy? I don't see anything. Oh, these. Had some guy pull in last night, park right in front of us. Yeah, I'll show a map of this place. It's pretty cool. There's vaulted toilets up there. There's a boat ramp. All right. Let's head back